Welcome to the Physics and Cosmos Academy. Here we dive deep into the wonders of physics and astrophysics, exploring everything from the tiniest quarks to the vast cosmos. Whether you're an avid space enthusiast or a seasoned physicist, our content is designed to be engaging, insightful, and easy to follow. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of the universe, one discovery at a time. Subscribe now and embark on this cosmic journey with us.
Imagine waking up to the news that a giant asteroid is heading towards Earth.
Not just any asteroid, one that has recently been flagged by NASA and the European Space Agency as having the highest recorded probability of impact in recent years. Could this be a catastrophic event, or will it pass us by harmlessly? In this video, we will uncover the secrets of 2024 YR4, the asteroid that has scientists around the world paying close attention.
Stay with us as we explore what makes this asteroid unique, why the odds of impact have increased, and what regions on our planet could be affected if the unthinkable happens.
Discovered in December 2024, asteroid 2024 YR4 is currently estimated to be between 130 to 300 feet, 40 to 90 meters across. That's roughly the size of a large building. While early calculations suggested a 1 in 83 chance of impact, recent data has changed that probability to 1 in 38, or 2.6%. The European Space Agency places the likelihood slightly lower at 2.4%, but still enough to warrant close observation. NASA and other international agencies track thousands of near-Earth objects every year, but very few reach this level of concern. This is because 2024 YR4 has surpassed the critical 1% impact probability threshold, leading to its formal notification to planetary defense organizations, including the United Nations Office of Outer Space Affairs. To put its size into perspective, 2024 YR4 could be as large as some of our tallest skyscrapers, posing a significant threat if it were to impact Earth. The asteroid's orbit brings it dangerously close to Earth's path around the Sun. This near intersection is what has raised alarms among astronomers and space agencies worldwide. The United Nations Office of Outer Space Affairs has been notified, highlighting the global significance of this potential threat. Space agencies around the world are collaborating, sharing data and resources to track 2024 YR4 and assess the potential risk it poses to our planet. But why do the odds keep changing? When an asteroid is newly discovered, scientists only have a small portion of its orbit recorded. As they gather more observations and refine the calculations, the probability of impact either decreases to zero or, in rare cases, rises. With 2024 YR4, observations suggest that its trajectory could bring it close to Earth on December 22, 2032.
However, by April 2025, the asteroid will be too far away for current telescopes to track. That means we won't have another chance to refine its orbit until 2028, when it makes its next close approach. If 2024 YR4 were to collide with Earth, where would it strike? Current models suggest that the impact corridor stretches across vast regions, including parts of South America, Northern Africa, the Arabian Sea, and Southeast Asia. However, given that most of Earth's surface is covered in water, the chances of an ocean impact are significantly higher than a land strike. But what would happen if it did hit land?
The level of devastation depends on the asteroid's size and composition.
If it's on the smaller end, at about 130 feet, it could produce an airburst similar to the Chelyabinsk meteor of 2013, which shattered windows and caused minor structural damage across a city. However, if it's closer to 300 feet, it could level an entire metropolitan area, causing widespread destruction and injuries. An impact of this size would create an explosion equivalent to multiple megatons of TNT, potentially stronger than the most powerful nuclear bombs ever detonated. Thankfully, planetary defense is not just science fiction. In 2022, NASA successfully demonstrated asteroid deflection with the Double Asteroid Redirection Test, DART mission. By crashing a spacecraft into an asteroid, scientists were able to alter its trajectory, a historic first in planetary defense. While there are no immediate plans to deploy such a strategy against 2024 YR4, this mission proves that with enough warning, we do have the capability to prevent a major impact. So, should we be worried? As of now, the chances of an impact remain extremely low, and as more data is collected, it's likely that the probability will drop even further. But this asteroid serves as a crucial reminder of why planetary defense is essential. The universe is a dynamic and unpredictable place. While an asteroid impact in our lifetime is unlikely, the effort to track and prepare for such an event is more important than ever. After all, as Neil deGrasse Tyson famously said, if the dinosaurs had a space program, they'd still be here.
If you found this video insightful, make sure to like and subscribe for more updates on space, science, and the mysteries of the cosmos. Stay curious and keep looking up.